Hello guys, welcome back to Kinso YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to neatly bead your fabric using the pearl fixing machine, which is also referred to as fabric beading machine. So all you need for this tutorial is the pearl fixing machine and the ball pearls or the ball bead, and then you also need the pin. If this is your first time here, you have come to the right channel for your DIY tutorials. Do remember to subscribe and do check back every Saturday for new content. So our old subscribers, thank you for supporting this channel. We really appreciate and we love you guys a lot. So guys, let's get started. So this is what the pins look like, and this is what the ball pearls or the ball bead looks like. It comes in different color. You can get them in any color of your choice. So, and this is what the machine looks like. It is very portable and mobile. You can carry it easily along with you to anywhere you're going. And this is what the pack looks like. So when you are buying yours, ensure to check it comes with three things, which is the machine. As you can see, it comes with a spanner and it comes with nozzles. So ensure to check it when you want to get yours so that something will not have been removed from it. And this is what the nozzles looks like. So guys, these are some of the other colors of the ball pearls I have. Here I have dark ash, I have silver, and I have milk color. But then I'll be making use of the milk color for this particular tutorial. So the first thing you need to do is to fix the ball pearls up just like I've done. And then you fix the pin, you put it at the spots where you have to insert it on the machine. Ensure the flat part, which is the base, is in contact with this thing with the spots, while the pointed part is facing up. Remember, it will be the one to you know gum the fabric to the bead. I don't really know how to explain this better. So this is what you should get after doing that. You can see the bead is neatly fixed on the fabric. So one good thing about this fabric beading machine is that you can easily fix your bead on any part of your fabric. Either it is the armpit, the armhole, you can fix anywhere, and then it is very portable. Although there is another type of pearl fixing machine, that one is very big and it is not mobile. You can't carry it along with you. So in this generation, if you have plans of getting a pearl fixing machine, you should go for this. When I got mine, I got it in 2022 for 5,000 naira. But the last time I checked, I think it is over 10,000 plus now. 10,000 plus Nigerian naira. So you should be prepared. Well, this is how I continued fixing it, and yeah, we got something beautiful. You would see that at the end of this video. So guys, this is what we made. Very beautiful. If you want to learn how to neatly bead with your hand, like confirm hand beading, all you need to do is to enroll in my fabric beading class. What you see on your screen right now is one of the Ankara prints, which is the African print that I actually hand beaded myself. Like, it really came out beautiful, and you would actually think that is how the Ankara came, but then it was just a plain African print. I was the one that neatly designed it, and I and beaded it neatly. So you just have to be very, very creative. Fabric beading is very good, and I believe it is the trend now. So you should learn how to bead. What you learn in fabric beading class is not just how to bead, but then you will be able to identify fake beads or low quality beads from original beads. That is one thing people do not know. They feel like there are free tutorials there online that you easily just see and you learn how to bead. But then you only see the technique. You don't know the logic behind it or the criteria for beading. There are needles specifically made for fabric beading, and there are threads also made specifically for fabric beading. Same way as there are also ways you get to know the low quality beads and the original beads. So everything you see displayed on your screen right now are neatly made by myself, and some of them are actually some of the techniques you'll be learning in my fabric beading class. So this is the beauty I made for this particular abaya as well. I did not get the full view, and that is why what you see is just the main technique. So guys, ensure to register for our fabric beading class, and not only the fabric beading class, we have intensive Jilbab class for you guys. So if you want to learn how to make your modest wares, how to take measurements, and just to become a professional modest wear designer, all you need to do is to reach out to us via our WhatsApp number, which I'll be leaving in the description box, and you get to make enquiries, and I believe you'll be convinced to register for our online class, because our free tutorials are also well detailed. So just guess what our paid classes will be. What you see on your screen right now is some of our student review, which I believe is enough to convince you. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in our next video. Bye.